Hey guys, what is up?
Hope everyone is doing well, hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Shiba Inu, if you invested $1,000 in January 2022, what would it be worth now? That's a very, very interesting question because, a years of investment, so it's been a year since January, is a long time. So, undoubtedly, you expect for it to generate money. And many of the investments, always before you even make them, they look at the percentage return that you could potentially get at the end of the year. That's how it works for businesses and many other investments that you do. So it'd be very interesting to see what $1,000 would be. I mean, we could also look at 10,000, a million, 100,000. You just have to add a few zeros. That's it. So let's get into it. Now, Shiba Inu generated stellar returns for early investors, and a mere $1,000 investment in 2020 turned millions by May 2021. Investors who took an early entry position in SHIB became millionaires in a short period, generating significant gains. While early investors reaped all the profits, the ones who entered the markets in 2022 have a different story to tell. The dog-themed token has mostly remained in the back foot this year and barely saw a spurt in price. The bear markets are testing investors' patience as leading cryptos are going backwards instead of forwards. Stories of people turning millionaires with SHIB came to a screeching halt this year due to the bear market. To know how many investors turned into millionaires after investing in Shiba Inu during its early days. So how much would a $1,000 investment in January 2022 be worth today? So let's get into all the numbers. Shiba Inu reached its all-time high of 0.408616 in October 2021, but it is on a downward spiral since then. On January 1st, 2022, SHIB was trading at 0.403345, and a $1,000 investment could have fetched you nearly 30 million tokens, 29,895,366 tokens to be precise. SHIB is currently trading at 0.50 and is considerably down in price since January 2022. Therefore, if you had invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu in January 2022, your investment would be worth $251 in December 2022. That's a loss of $749. That could take months or years to recover as the markets are firmly under bearish grips. The investment is down nearly 75%, could drive further south, eating into profits. Even the 2023, the majority of investors are under loss as SHIB added an extra zero this year instead of deleting it. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, you would be at a loss, around 75% down, which, is possible for cryptos. At the end of the day, more cryptos lose money than actually make money. And I know a lot of people, they wanted to ride the very big wave, the late wave as well, if I could say so, of 2021. Well, hey, it didn't work out. But it's not the end of it. I mean, at the end of the day, you haven't actually lost that money. That money could actually go up easily. You just hold your SHIB, you hope for the best, and when the layer 2 solution comes out, then we'll see massive pumps in price. Also, there's a lot of burning, more demand. So a lot of factors contribute to the increase of Shiba Inu. So I think, the journey of eliminating zeros is going to be long. But if your $1,000 investment doesn't bother you too much, if you could forget about it, then just leave it. For a few years, it could potentially grow into a massive number. And you will be very, very happy to know that, back in the days when things weren't looking amazing, you still held the trust, you still had the confidence, just like, the 1.2 million holders, you stuck to it and you actually made a ton of money. But as of now, 2022 hasn't been the greatest year. No one has said it was a great year. In fact, for many cryptos, 2021 was a way better year for cryptos, but who cares? At the end of the day, there's been turbulence, macroeconomic situations, and if you really care about it, you care so much about and I'm talking about your investment, your money that you lost, and perhaps you should just take out the money and just run away and never invest into cryptos, because a lot of these people with these investments, they're just waiting. Simple as that. They know it's going to grow. That's why there's more than 1 million holders. As I've said, very, very simple stuff. If there would be no reason for there to be more than 1 million holders if it wasn't looking bright, if the future wasn't looking that great. But because it looks all amazing, looks good, I guess that is the reason why so many people have held their investments, are still holding, and have big plans for their retirements. Very interesting data. Perhaps, those that didn't invest in it at the beginning of January 2022, well, 2023 looks like could be a year for investments, but it's your decisions, your due diligence, your research, but it's just great to know that at least in 2021 people were making money for sure. And I think perhaps 2023 could be a year with a lot of developments, with a lot of economic recovery, and just great light being shined upon us. So in order for you guys not to miss out on any information, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notifications bell. Ladies and gentlemen, this community is growing. It needs you need us, so let's stay positive about it. And also, if you have any thoughts, leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're doing. What are your thoughts in regards to the investments of $1,000? How much have you even invested? Are your investments up, down? So all that info would be very interesting to know. And as usual, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. Appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.